move to the second part of the D2 connections. Within this part is we have some beyond concept is besides those basic arrows, and we learned how to add these labels on the this link. We also try to see so you can change the shape of this arrowhead, as well as adding the stereotype like this 1 to many, 0 to many. So how to make that some labels on the beginning part and ending part of the this link. Let's use this example to talk about this in more detail. So let me first close our code, and I create our new file called is connection number 5. Since there's not so much the complicated about the contents, I will not create so many SVG. So you can use this VS Code, or you can use the command line to do that. To overwrite the default arrowhead shape that is filled this arrowhead, the triangle, or give our label next to the arrowhead. So that is means the sometime is the stereotype we need. Define our special shape on connection, name as the source arrowhead. O is the target arrowhead. So we can, using such kind of the properties, specifically change the shape of the arrowhead. So let's now is using the way is we have a very super long these labels, and we actually define the this key as very short. So I just have ABC, and now is I'm okay to have this preview. So A is the best. So actually this is A. And which one is come to A? So D is the black. So I also have D. So let me create that. Is I should write down is the best way to avoid responsibility is to say I get responsibilities. So now you can see super long. Do I have, yeah, is this one. So now I go to B, whether vary or unvary, 0, man, do not rest. So C, I still maintain the point that designing a monolithic kernel in 1991 is our so that is almost not finished. And D, a black cat. So just random crossing your path signifies that the animal, so you can see it's so small because they put that on the horizontal single line, is going somewhere. But we are safe because we only have ABCD single parts. So let's go to here is D2A and D2C. So C is still. So that is our this simple chain. So we create that, and then this we also have A to B. So A to B. So let's create that is A to B, and B to C. B to C with the double direction. So we create such kind of things. No matter is this one is in the left, so that is fine. And then let's examine this is the default one. We don't change. And A to B, we have this one. We will change the arrowhead. So then we have curly braces. and we will change its shape is to the target arrowhead. So you should put that into the target part. So let's go to here. So source arrowhead. So source arrowhead is we go to 1. Then that is make your stereotype 1. And target arrowhead is the many, so we just give our star. So it's not so big, so you should zoom in to have a look. And after that is let's make our curly braces, and we can make our shape. Shape is diamond that is applied to the arrowhead. So you can see for which one you put that is you can make those. So if I put this here is the cylinder. Well, what I got? So I don't have that. It's possible is we have some arrowhead is not so freedom. So is now is this you can see like our library. So I put as like a box. Then that is should shape box is also not give me the I should not do like this. I should have our curly braces. Then shape box. Where is my box? So triangle box arrowhead option. So I should have that is the triangle. But there's not showing. I think here should have our arrowhead. So it just means is I can only change one. So let's continue to make this B2C. So B2C, so first is A to B. I also have our label, so I can put that here. To air is human. To move, bowing. So that is not English. I suppose is B2C is I have something, so I need to draw like this one. Where is my B? Is this. So let's first make our label. Reality is just our crutch for people who can't handle science fiction. So if you uh, or follow me is just try to get all this with your typing. So that is important for you to learn this. So now I have two. So I first must have our arrowhead because I don't get is arrowhead. I cannot change this one. And let me see here whether it's shape is the box is allowed now. It's still the interesting is I don't get that. Or is I should not have this one. Oh, I got is the arrow. So let's comment this one first. Oh, yes, I got that. Great. So first you need to define our arrowhead. Then is you can put this shape here. So let's leave that is a box here. Now I got that. Let's continue. So here is the source arrowhead. So this second one is also one, and target arrowhead is also many. Now I can change this as we have talked is I can put that as a shape circle. So that is change this one. And then the second one is the shape. So diamond with a fill. So first is diamond. And then how we can put that fill. So we have a second part is this one, diamond and the style dot field is true. Then this will be filled. Similarly, is here. So style field true. So this box will be filled. And any others I can put is the CF1. CF1 required stands for crawl. That is fine. I can also have a line, arrow, triangle. So if I have this one, so this is the arrow. So from where I got this, so D to A, and then maybe it's I just put is A to C, so that is I can change this myself. So I will have this one. So target arrowhead and style field false. So what I got that. So you can see here the default this arrow is filled. But now is when I put that is the false, I can put this as an empty triangle. So this is the default one, so you can make that at your wish. So with that is we have let's make this fit to the window. So this is our different way to make your this link with the arrowhead and the different style, and it's easier to add this stereotype, the 0 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to many. So that is the part is now let's export this to SVG. Then from here is we have also our this exported file here. So with that is try to remember two sides of the concept. One is this four type of the arrow, and then there is arrowhead option. So let's look at this referencing connection. So the last part is I will create that as the connection 6. So use the small D2. So I create this one, preview create. And here is if the connection doesn't have an endpoint, arrowhead won't do anything. So that I think is we have already tested. Reference connection. You can reference our connection by specifying the optional ID. So first is let's create x go to y is high. So let's preview for that. So it's this one, and x and y go to x. So that is the response. So hello. So let's put these two directions. That is makes sense. Now is using the x, y. So I write down this again. So normally is I like to have a space. So 0 0 is the first one. Dot style dot stroke red. So that is this one. Let's see whether is I have this second one because I have different direction. Is this allowed? So you can see no because now this one is not a repeated one. So I should use this as the reference. So when I say y to x, it's also not come to here because this is the first one. So I should use the index 0. So now you may look at is if I say green is like this one. So this come to the green, but this green is come to this label, not the link. So if I have another one, so X, Y, good day. So I put that, then I can use the one to make our blue. So this will be the number one. This is number 0, and this is the number 0. So that is the referencing. So when you do this referencing, you use this different link, similarly like our list in Python or in some other language that you can come to that to using the index to find out which one you can apply certain properties. This is very important, especially is very useful is if you have a very busy link. Is I can imagine our use case is on the data modeling. Is you may have one application, another is the maybe your data backbone or this data warehouse. You may have the maybe the 20, 30, 40 different the data flows. Then this using this referencing is you can easily is come to the same element, same the source and target, and use this index number to give the different arrangements of the styling. So this I hope is you can also get this understanding. So we start is we use two videos to finish these connections. Next one is we have these containers. So that is like is the nested way. So for this D2 part is but we already use that in the first sample. Let's try this in the next video. Bye for now.